Bonjour, mes amis. I am Jessie and I run a vlog and blog titled Cappuccinos and Consignment, where I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. And as I'd like to say, I am fluent in Fendi French and finance. S'il vous plaît, take a moment to like, subscribe, follow me over on Insta, follow the blog. You will not be disappointed. D'accord. SLGs. I'm obsessed with them and they're so addictive. Like once you start buying them, it becomes so addictive. And one of the reasons I think is the price point. If you are slowly entering or just entering the space of luxury goods, SLGs are where a lot of people start. SLGs mean small leather goods. This set, the Kirigami, it is a three-piece set by Louis Vuitton that is so hard to find. I had looked for these pieces all over, and I will insert the video where I did a review. I destroyed my set. Two of the three pieces, rather. Completely destroyed them. I wrote all about it on the blog. I'll link that as well. Instead of throwing them away like the husband suggested, I just did like a whole DIY thing. Let me know if you all would like to learn how I did it, because it's not as easy as it looks. What fits inside? So having so many SLGs, one of the issues I am finding is I'm just trying to find uses for them. And it's so crazy. Like I feel like a little girl when you first get your purse and you're just looking for random things to store in them. That's where I am now. I have toiletry pouches. At one point, I carried my 26 toiletry pouch avec moi. But once I got the Kirigami, there was really like no need for all four of the pieces. I don't wear a lot of makeup. Again, if you are a mes amis over on Insta, you know that by makeup, I mean one pot of concealer and Vaseline. That's it, mes amis. So what do I use my Kirigami set for? Again, it is a three-piece set. I will refer to the largest as the GM because I'm LV. That's how they refer to their largest pieces. In my GM, I carry a mask, of course, although a lot of states had, not a lot, a few states had lifted the mask. She talk? Lifted the mask mandate. I still wear mine, and I keep an extra in my pouch just in case I forget. Remember this, a card holder, and you will understand why I say at some point it's just like you're scrambling trying to find reasons to use your SLGs. I have a Chanel card holder that I use for my credit cards, cash, and all. Let's see, Chanel. This is not the lip color that I have on. This is a special blend. I blend like 3 shades from a pharmacy in Paris, and I'm actually running low. Keto and Couture told me to check this out because it stands like the test of time with mask. What else do I have? Why do I have 2 of my eyebrow pencils? I was looking for it. I usually carry one avec moi and the other I keep like in my makeup stash. What else do I have? A Chanel compact. It's just a mirror, no makeup, just the compact. What else? Some feminine products that I know you all are not interested in seeing. The pot of concealer that I referred to. This is MAC. This is NW40. I am not crazy about this. I feel like it is not the shade Pour Moi, but everyone kept recommending like the NC45 or something every time I went, and it made me so orange. So I know it's hard to tell on a video, but if you have any suggestions, it doesn't have to be MAC. That's just the only thing I knew. Please let me know because I need a good concealer. One step makeup. I don't want to bake and bronze and contour, all of those things. A random old alcohol wipe. No, it's a fingernail polish wipe. These things are everything. I just use regular fingernail polish, so times when I needed to fix a chip or something, these things are perfect. If you know, you know. And what I love about the set is that each piece is color coordinated. So destroyed. I'm so sad, but I saved it. The husband told me to throw it away. Pourquoi? This is what I would consider the MM. When I'm ordering this online, again, they have been sold out forever. I got this in Paris, but when you order it online, I feel like it's under like the travel section. That's my 7-month-old. Oh no, she's 8 months. She's with her big brother watching Coco Melon. But I feel like these are placed under the travel section, and this is supposed to be used as a passport holder. Again, I have a LV passport holder, so it's like I'm fishing for things to, fill these pouches with. Instead, I use mine as a technology pouch. I never carried around a, what is this, a power bank, but one time my phone went dead and the husband's like, never again. So he purchased this for me when I was heading to New York Fashion Week. I will link, I was looking in the wrong place. I will link that vlog as well. I love this because it's so thin and it's rose gold. I don't know if it picks up on the video or not, but this is perfect. It's pretty heavy, but it fits seamlessly in here. Power cord to charge, and this little gadget, which I love. I take the Amtrak often. Well, I used to. Take the Amtrak often, and this is perfect because I could actually plug it into the power port. What is it called? The plug. But it's thin. But it's thin. So perfect. Last, remember I said the Chanel card holder. This is why I said remember it. This is what I will refer to as the PM because it is the smallest of the three. It's made, I guess, for cards, but again, I have a card holder for that. So I have been using it for business cards. I love business cards. It's such a lost art form. I think, look at it. And I also keep other people's business cards. When I do meet people and they have a business card, I store it here. So if you ever see me, give me your business card. I'll store it here. And this piece, it was destroyed in the front, but I just kind of got so happy with the DIYing that I just did this as well. Voila, that is how I use my 3 Kirigami pieces. If you have a Kirigami set, please let me know how you use yours. I'll link below some places that I have seen them in stock. A lot of times you cannot buy it as a set pre-loved. They are sold individually, and that really sucks. Like I've seen the GM, the largest size, for about $400. Just that one. 300 or so for the MM, and you get the point. So if you can find them in store, if you really want them, do not second guess, just buy it. But yeah, let me know if you all have any questions, and if there are any other like SLGs you would like me to review. Alrighty, ciao for now.